morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Good morning. I'm coming back from work. Eshimoro na abata. Kudo diri everybody. Kudo diri onye niile. I'm not coming to see. I am not jobless like Udele and the co. I'm a very hard-working mom. Very hard-working one after that matter. So I'm coming back from work. New update about Udele. Hi, Udele. You know, Aburum Gamuma, you neglected me as a prophetess. You neglected me. Guys, please click love and share the letters about Udele. The letters somewhere. Anytime you want to hear what is going on, the updates and the letters about Udele, you holler me. Follow the page. Come anytime you want to, because every little opportunity with Ishi out about Udele. Dish out the things that is happening in his life, so you will not be left behind. So okay, man, I can't be aware what is happening. Princess, I know you guys are doing well. Now, snow that today everywhere is a mess. What the heck? Everywhere is totally a mess. What I go? There one. When I know the letters. Chai, Udele. Now let me send this as a sound warning to all of you that contacting me. Oh, Udele, menendai POP in Udele, menendai Kanu. See. I'm not here to fight for Nnamdi Kanu or any IPOP member. I blocked about 4 persons yesterday who sent me message. Oh, okay, thank you for what Udele did to Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not fighting for Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not fighting federal government. Get it up. Get it straight up. This case is not about Nnamdi Kanu or Udele. I just wanted to get it straight. So don't come here trying to leave your comfort zone. Now you return to say, okay, oh, thank you. Please keep that one out of my sight. I don't have problem with the federal government of Nigeria. You that is an IPOP member, your duty should have been fight against Udele. Udele have been there tormenting all of you. You know, Nigeria. So all of you, and I want to picture Nnamdi Kanu, go through their wall. It's in Nnamdi Kanu. If you want to get justice, you go straight there and fight. Don't entangle this case with Nnamdi Kanu. It has nothing to do with it. Udele is facing charges of innocent people or tormenting. Innocent people or tormenting. The put up petition there are not IPOP. Is individuals who Udele has decided to torment for years. So let today be the last thing. I'm not here to fight for image. You guys are IPOP member. I want to have to do this every month. Make una use una money go and make case. Nobody should attack this with nonsense, because you know the most unstable beings I have ever seen in my life. The so-called IPOP. You know the most unstable, unreliable being I have ever seen. Okay, so I'm not here. Nobody should join nonsense with this. me who could do rubbish show ya commentary here. Because blocking na Tom and him na block na chan. Or who bury him. I'm a block Bam Nancha. So Agriculture, Kama is okay. Let me block you again. I show IQ testing. Anti-culture, Kama is. I don't understand where you're coming from. Just try, now these people know in parable. I know they understand. Go straight to the point. Let me know where you're coming from. Okay? So I want to know where your useless or your reasonable comment is coming from. Matter. Maybe you're diverting your rubbish from. Because all these are rubbish comments. Idiot ojeka I want you to recommend and come straight up. Okay? Ebem shieli geli. Makabe shupuge, makabe shishige, adabigi lirigi biawa. Kamara utum geshi. Because you uni here na alma like here. Because I know why I'm saying this. And I'm a lot of you guys commenting, oh, finally, Nnamdi Kanu has got justice. And when Nnamdi Kanu now fighting, it's not, you guys should not tag this thing as Nnamdi Kanu. I blocked about 4 persons yesterday. Ebe habira na my impulse, gonna rubbish. She, where were you guys? Na platform all these useless people. Now you won't now. You want to go? Eh? Ndala. Your name is Operation Sweep Stupidity. Operation Sweep Stupidity. Operation Sweep Stupidity. I don't know why Facebook is so quiet. When I just they play. You want to go? Make I go fight on a fight with Udele. This one has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. No, the fight. I'm not fighting federal government. If I'm fighting federal government, I can't mean a sue. Sue under Nigerian government. Get aware. Because I believe that justice must be prevail. So don't bring rubbish to me, because I'm not the right person. What? Udele, when it comes to settle with individuals who he has labeled lies, many allegations, if that idiot wake up in the morning, he will make up one useless story, you know. So when it comes to settle with many and the many important people that matters in the society. So who go mansion? And when you brought me yesterday, she okay. All the bill law. It's allocated an 80 in a chamber. Ndaga de Piawa or the Canambara when you go to Anambra. And as only get euro as up. You know, Anambra as only gano church. That number is not like in the most states. Or go now. Udele Ndeje go the important people now I get take you over. I'm telling you. Don't mock you. Okay, let me block you. I will mock you. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. If I don't mock you, we kanga mock. Who the fuck is Udele? Negiga will victim tomorrow. Negiga will victim tomorrow. Mokwadaga will victim. Maggie, Manegi, Manageba generation will become a victim. Yeah. Because I know that even a mentality Udele. Yarunu Udele that I want to get post this morning. Yarunu Udele with a little IQ like that Udele. Sorry, like that enketa. Okarema here. Okarema that all shela on a way mega. But when that IQ you are very poor. You want to go? So now listen. Let me tell you. Then okay, like I said, Have you been to Anambra State? Ndejego. No, onyola na azoshi owuri yaka no ya no luka. Have you been there? Okay, but come just subani or subenye bani. Managoto. Emanana azo ga anu euro. Imeko lejetiro. We are talking about in billions. Onyola no in billions and euro. But ana azo ya sana Anambra State. That's why sometimes they end up nobody they tailor. What I'm saying. Okay, they are aware what I'm trying to say. As this winner. That's why I said always share this video. Tag it to Ndole ma opare. Okalesia. Well done, Udele most peme. All I wishing is peme. So I'm just share a video anytime I'm doing Udele video because there are many people who Udele. So when you just share them, you just tag people who major. You keep tagging them. Tag them. Now tag her. Share video. Now tag her. Come and put up your petition. Come and put up your petition against Udele. That if you don't know how to do it, contact me. I will direct you to the right authority. You want to go? The only thing they get save Udele because I'm even a million you guys have 1 million 80 alum. Azuru zelo bita sanya e wuri anye ya choro ko ja gboro to ncha because I'm no ihe bo ncha na de ya mma. Ya choro ho ja gboro to ncha because I'm na the thing na ekwe agaladima. On ekwe yaga. Inye ahu ye ji ya buru aka na amu before she nga ahu fota. You want to go? Okay, they are aware. Share this video, bring my letters on what is going on. I just from nah Attire okpu na. I got them the men. Share the video. Can do the test. Ude mpopo. Onya rokaro gede so. I went and they torment for years. I will monka. I will my yes, I will Mbe no talking ke wura. Biko no choro num video. Remember before Udele gawa na gara visitation on yana. In fact na ga gata. I explained Igo nya. Apiri me explain akwoga. Agwara get that this ano here na massage Igo ya nwura anwu. Different examples when somebody man wanna get how you feel. I'm gonna grieve. I'm gonna deny it. How many stages again? I have to go and look my note again. I can't remember. Why are you always insulting people? Okay, let me block you. I get out. Who taught me how to say Osobo one negisi not Udele? Because it won't know here. Now you want to say for. Have you ever commented on Udele platform? Why is it insulting Udele Unne? Mbona she many people out Unne Mwabawapa. Are we not there? Have you ever come on my block of Unne Gibawa block? Get out. Get out. Oh, not each other no getting them all. But in an uncle, the name of them man insults. You know, tell them say make him leave. Udele Waja. Ashimi Umuria Baji, Umugebaja, you that commented that thing. Now do your worst. When I know they go there, I don't tell them say make you know they tell people say make Udele. Odwa nyonya puron, odwa taranya problem na libu. Odwa ananyi nsobu na libu ashbo Unne Waja. Now what? Now what? What do you about it? They let you have more and you will cause. You have a problem with that? Including you that commented what do you give baja? Do you have a problem with that? You want to with that? Mbona no platform yana shi odu nnonya ibunne ebukobi ibunne onya ibunne in onanu ya nti oshirigi na my own kiga Une Udela waga wada chaka une chakashia mangi commentara commenti une ki skata waja na je bola munde Ndi Iwoji go bola ma American police. What are you going to do? That comment also keep une gi bali again. Idiot. Na kuruyaka. Continue. Right on. Kebende right on. Udelano. Kebende right on. We got your back. Right on. Right on. To tell you how messed up Udelade. I want to play this video. Udelade chara messed up. They messed up in reasoning. Ima na gwarangi that he go give wukwe. Ima ashi mpake proni hu or the day so share mpakogi. Let me tell you, share no video can go on the all update. Get the channel in updates. Tinyaka na share button. And because him just shake tinyaka na share button one day with a petition huh? One day with a be click love and like. They are reporting my video. The protection of this video is click love and share. Click love and share. Especially share, click love, share. You are a problem uno. Imana kam shame. Ana ma jubueri. Why you me expect come na bia. Mbia like this man no good taking na your spinal cord. No kitunu na spinal. All these incompetent men who walk mini that watch Udela insulted a bukobi. Na comment ndo to ya like na hoke amazulon na old man who pushing Nigeria na allow retirement get a man famine. That's yeah what I shown white about everywhere very confused. Now that idiot mama can shina England boya. That useless one. People that have lost their destiny abroad. Where were you guys? Well, Ashemo Suna John or 202. You wanted the audacity to come and tell me not only we would make it we know or idiot. You guys were there right on, insult him. Yeah, Brupana. Unacha Brupana. Only when pay anything no man can wish Potowa. Ebukobi does not know you. You don't know Ebukobi. Give me a banner. Even at the first banner. How one gets nobody said anything. What is going on? I cannot put this guy. You're not commenting. No matter how you should have some messed up brainless man. Hana kuinyo manele ha. Hana kuinyo hanele. And when another akun, I mean what tell you one guy I get in a list. That guy must be picked. Every chanda he will be the next. Every day we have given you the order. Stop carrying a copy video. That guy, don't worry. I told me about German because I got moto. I will bring it to your notice. That is your Tana Hani and Aboya and I have it on a Janaboya Jewa Kanaboya Gananakoya. Stay away from Ebukobi. Stay away from Ebukobi. You're not about Ebukobi. Stay away from him. If you don't have content, close down your useless platform. If you guys don't know what to do, close it and go and look for a farming job and do. But Nigeria again, you know, permit to be monetizing on a page on January, June, make una go create content to Chideka one knock and leave people alone. If you don't leave a what to do on your video, automatically they don't want to do it. I told them what to do. They're not supposed to be carrying a video without every day Bukobi. One some animal who some walk more than a mini napana quino. Did I hear some of you who got that say Bukobi Guni unenu? Is he not a human being? Is Bukobi not a human being? So, uno benefit that bro Bukobi uruna brother. Yana don't no na took it here, shall not took it here that he will not feel the pain. Do you think I could be one angel surely with her? Even Elisha in the Bible. Go Elijah, please, I stand to be corrected. Elijah only Elijah only Elijah what are you guys telling me? Elijah, Elijah is he not a prophet? When the children, or should not woman, or she have perished here, or should not all they are kids. Or when I'm watching because of the kids, I will allow them to continue their nuisance. Akwambashi, Elijah only Shinkwacha, Elijah Jiri only weputa. She agwu dobuha, agwu making the dobuha. So you want to tell me that they go be a because he's not your brother and he will not feel what they are. In my opinion, we put that you label someone a criminal without that person taking anything from you. And some people will stand their stupidity to be talking rubbish. So because of our be organic feel you see the lie. I have some people shall get you back. I just look them. Yes, you guys label me what I didn't do. My opportunity to make all of you to drain on the shame happen. Knowing fully well that you are lying against this person. Every day get to we who straight up. And you lie Makachi. Eh? On a Bible. Manakuyo. Oh, and they help Jesus to get to fight for you. Elisha, oh, many, or Hapruchine, Jesus says she never fight there. On a bune with a party and leave the rest. Ntala. Bunch of do that things everywhere. Anakoyeri. Get you suit to unu. Get you paint your stupidity unu mega quarter normal. Get you paint your useless attitude unu cobure normal thing. Not okay. So we can accept it. Are you really serious? Are you going mad? Okay, man, now water. Yeah? All of you must test it. Oh, aduronye keta. On wayo. Share the program and click love. Let me know now updates. Let me know updates. None of them will see peace. I was reading some comments and encourage a park. Some people say, yeah, if you carry on your body, you better get people. Can home with a can even those people home with a window or two obi. Let's see that home with a puta. Or your puto was when Oga no time. On another day, Madu Buola Moma. On your brother started contacting that family. On the problem, on your bitoro. For those of you see, on your brother and mother, majority of Onya Hishino or Bodomon and Dana Bra, let me tell you, I'm on number 2. I mean, one we south or so many precisely, but okay? Our people do not support stupidity. Our people are not support rubbish. Okay? These people they cannot stop Aru. They can't say because all one Obotoless man will face his wrath. I get you ego feeling. I'm gonna get that I personally can end the career. Okay? It's a must. I'm gonna give you a jacket like this, delete your blue app. Go and mark it. And repeat it, call me again. Okay, making anya come. Bet amo. Physically bet me. Save this clip. Save it. Get a bit of a less man. Oh, just I'm talking desire for them. I look at Ramo. Every time Ebukobi did not mention or mention who this woman, not this woman. Now, no young woman anything. The woman did Ebukobi a chebere. Now, only about a gabo putayo, it become a topic. It become a topic. No, you could have She mama gini ka na body that woman upocha. Na gini mekwara. Me replay the video. And we be muru ebuko bi poro aha. Obiko bi onye na emegi ya ka their life. He obiko bi me back to sender. The conscience unu judge was unu on your sender. Ebuko bi did not mention names. Ebuko bi did not say that one you muchu. That's occurred to me. One you muchu no ya ya. Even to an extent, don't you but had to contact the same thing he always look for people to use and fight people. Fancy. And he said if we left that kind of a person the more dangerous than anybody. That's what he does. To come and use it and fight you. Knowing fully well that he ain't done at all, but he just want to make sure that all bring it down. It doesn't matter who is more dangerous than anybody. You feel me? It's more dangerous than anybody. You get contact your family. Your family have put her. This family had to come out. Everybody will come. Everyone will come out because be scammers. Man. Onyo pute made this family invite. Uno chefugo. Can you put on this idiot open? What started our problem? Nam she leave her buko be alone. Amume buru enwe honya boraha. Let's conscience onye many he George yaya. Even to an extent, this boy the boy am aputa. Buna enwe honya buko bi boraha. That you na ebo enyo but had to call family record do ha. Oh, onyo but gata ho. E gata ho you go suffer. Makachi go suffer. Kamani batara na ti geje no free ni ha. E gata ho. You go suffer that you started this problem. Onyo but is the architect of this wahala. Let's say it the way it is. The guy is the main problem. Oh, you want bully her? But what when I go be na all fake miracle. Now post where up Ishi looking for somebody that will come and testify against them go be go. How can we leave somebody who is the architect, who is the foundation of the whole problem? How can we leave it? It's not possible now. Or not possible? Mashia, how go be aka? All problem mona yo. Ama monyo on a make insist on a make to get chamarom. I don't watch his dry comedy because he's not talented to perform any act. You and I know. Guys, how many people view Gamo? Share ya because they can report to Gamo share. View Gamo, but I know I'm seeing comments. Click share and love. Click share and love before I turn all this video off. Because click share and love. Click it. Anytime make a video, you need to be sharing it. It's imitation ademma. Ihojo ademma. I won't make Zion member, but I want that aremma. Call a spade. Why must we kill our own? The only truthful man of God. My spirit in a battery gobi. Unachori ibu there because so many again. Because you don't believe in Ndo church. God join ya. Obodo less man. Join ya Udela. Join ya Oboni lost son. Bito. Eh? Bito. No you fully that thing at our show. Get Bito. Bito the main problem. Obodo less man started this. You know will be here. Because of you when a fan base. You are the main problem, Obodo less man. Because you knew that you have fan base. You spread, yeah? You are the one that circulated the whole fake news. Now calling you and give one more testimony. Have you I don't understand. I don't understand. Ana kuinyo. I don't know how many people vegan, but thank you for the update. Share the program because oh yeah, no report. Well, that's how it happened. Click love and share. Click love and share. Click love and share. You want to go? This guy started the whole thing. Started the mayhem. Started the problem. Nkana o Peter say take it off for puta. Na koko onye shidi na one na some of our Igbo brothers na pia like this. People are should get na one job. This is the reason I'm not pia. Onyo le shebochi. Obudole sa kwana here pajere Matthias e buruke sa pasa honya. Matthias, if you don't go back to that place, you must go back. If you don't go back to that place, Iri info. You are working with Obodoles, you're working with the Bonilo's son. This is the people he recruited to come and destroy the work of a man of God. Do your thing and leave up Kobielo, no shimba. Mankana or I shall not get Madame Hannah watch her because I don't pay them attention. People are now put let them come and testify. People started coming. They testify. How that people let testify? Oh, but the last man are joining and the saga. Put the head in the bar saga. Mamma came with no date. She more hechi. I have Plaza and I get faces him. People then forgot what started it. Eh? People then forget. I'm a one but the less. He joined the head to Ashi today. Na social media. Okay, I would then feel that I went to the machine. Material boogie. Yachanam boogie. Material buhuki, come on, warm. This thing will cripple you. That's I know how about Chisum apata. Chisum when I'm done with you, I go and write it down. Ye me hona fa ye me another year. Mhapukwala ge. Iga biakwe bem no scam one day mad with my NGO. I go and somebody must carry this case. And the kid on your body is a sacrificial lamb. Iga biakwo ebem no ji mu na sacrifice na ego. Eyirim gidaleti. Iga mana nwanyi ni be ha no no. Mmecha gi ihe. Do I look like a kurora? Eyirim okurora na anya gi. Every day get video bukobi. Yani ne chichare bukobi myself this. Gabriel bukobi na shigida na kuinyo. I don't know people that listen to you. But I want to muna gibe chi he. Get trouble next time you mind your business. I did not call you. I didn't mention your name. Uno putara eba say on the wall. Osubuna joy. They want an opportunity to get you because I'm the only one standing. I'm the only one upright. Other ones and I just say post a video because to win a view. Other ones I just say claim to become a Zion. But I'm the one that's stuck on my head. When I feel that you guys who can't go up against me. When I feel that this is the opportunity. Oh yeah, who war. Next time I was reading comments. Okay, we shall see to the end of this. I don't give up easily. I do not. Chisom cheraka warombo. Cheraka cherem. One. I stop the video more. Do not stop my video. Cheraka cherem. No tanya. You go hear them. Ozubuni Nabapata, join hand to fight Ogechi because I'm the only one refoca on this. And the only one stand the monetary Ishi because have to do that. Oh no, the many. I don't fear crowds. I don't follow crowd. I stand on what's right. You know what not go in the wrong. I'm a truya. After all, let them come and catch me. But that this young man, whom a push you major, I want AG. I was born and brought up in AG. Okay? I have never lost my value. You can never see Ogechi. You went to Ogechi somewhere said that I'm okay. You went to Renka. And one of my values. I'm a responsible woman, but I don't take rubbish. Nonsense, I fear no bagger. I always stand on the truth. The truth may not favor, because when you learn a question, many people may hate here. Go and make the research. As far as you are saying the truth, it will not favor many. Just stop deceiving. Let me block you. Oh yeah, bye bye. Goodbye. When I got no hunger, goodbye. When time of fish, get out. You want to go? If you're not choke off, that is the point. I got home benabun okay. We will see to the end of the whole thing. So come now the letters of Udele. And I'm a hundred watch because she and I put it down on my video. I can't walk. Share the video. Come let Magama. Another people where they watch me. Share, click love, bell my Facebook or get you for some people telling my views again. Dala. Irim so crowd. What's it cause? I make cause I crowd. Okay, 614. Okay. Because they let me know. They are reporting it. Share, click love. No clicking the love. Now share. Click your love. And I know they are. No, I know their moves. Hana suppress views me a lot. That's their way. But with una share and love and care. It will generate. Now, Udele. Let me tell you na latest Udele. Eruna court. Yem na bagi ugaski. As we enter courts. Chebe play that video before man narrate here. For those of you that have not seen the video, oh yeah, regardez. Parana, I pity you. Palala, I pity you. Ah, Palala, I wish you know. But let come back him. Come back him. Ah, Palala, I wish you know, baby. Shy. Let me play this video. I want you guys to pay attention to this video. Don't forget that our beaters said for those of you that are looking for job, you know, I am the one that would be controlling Enugu own. Enugu own. Nobody. It just the little people Gabian na my own. Enugu Gaburi with the person run Enugu own. I am the distributor on Enugu. What I go akuchago mo bomb. I was a Bunyamanya can be done. Namanya yes. Na demand the SS. So if you are looking for a job, you want to come and be through commission. Or they can bank work. How many you sell is how much you're going to make. You feel me? So if you're looking for a job and you want to better your life and Bottle de ho called this is dogu bitters. What I go? Someone we Enugu own. Yes, Enugu. Enugu one jewo. Me Enugu, here we go. One of my beloved brother Anapugoma Anambra she okay. In a Prumbai. Well, when anybody in Anambra anyway. So that is you've been with a matter that I trust the person who in Enugu State. So that is where I will be running my own Enugu State. So if you need a job, if you want to be productive, happy in a Gia Hoge, anybody. Happy in a Jacho big ocean, I did ya got the messed up like Udele. Come and get yourself well equipped. Ya Banon Guru. From there, you know, get where your own shop, you gonna be a buru. Because a dogu bitasa, I'm telling you, here gave in Nigeria. Oh, sorry, zero bitasa. Zero bitasa, you gave in Nigeria, got one of the brand in the whole wide world. Market someplace. On Abia. Ike Seraphic oil gaga paribe. Ike bukobi the fefe bukobi biga panime zolobitas. I ashi onye wula na kunye prophet mmanya oh sorry, onye oranye prophet mmiri, prophet genye kunya mmiri. Ogeji all the blessings in na who bless Ako, because Ako has been there, supportive, love and kindness. Show the love when ebe Bukobino. Why won't Bukobi we put up because here this thing shahia. Ahia gawa lota. Gawa ke ga viral. So come and collect blessing oh. Come and join the chorus oh. Ash onye bigu ke ewu na so. Believe it or not, if you can't beat them, you join us. Because he hanya bu igu. And they must keep on following us. Nke ashi eje so. Onya fukwa hu. Ya bo ya anyu. You watala? So, it's up to you. Decide ya. You watala? Ye kwe so onya fukwa hu. Ya bo hu. Ya anyu. You wala? So okay, they are aware. You watala? Let me play the video and I will give you the latest enemy ruler because I got my gap on again anyway. I'm a very busy person. I would have very hard work. I can go to 50 million. If I'm not my husband did that well. He only noticed when they San Diego. Actually, what is going on? Sure, yes, now I'm a branch distributor. Sure, yes, so they want to go, but then they send me Instead, they made delete or guy until the last one. Mommy MMG. I wanted to surprise him. So I don't know very hard working woman. My bed depending more dim get with ego. You know? No. You have to stand on your feet. Actually me. I'll show one day the life on. They decided to be complete wash shower for the rest of their life. Yeah, one way did he? I told one year, huh? Chowa woman, ha, chowa betchy, hana, chowa my baracho. Nah, chia, giga mata chigi, bleacher damage, brainy and a life, yeah. Bana shake a pano with guru. Ashe Bob, Wahoka, Hamma, Tala. Then I walk human trafficker. They when they messed up their life with a life for another person, and I had their life. Hana live is a life of empty. Who do you? One lady called me yesterday. She boge. Did she base here in America? No, na I am bolo when on 16. I thought I'm the only one on 16. Actually for where? Nani here no. They get a man properties in those who know where. Bobble Land. This is the kind of people I like. I don't make that out with failures because it will make me go back. Ya should be connected when you hear Propomu. No, Ebe Manaso Soten, Namayam, and I will take a good Jazia. Shia, come and happy, Boggy, Mamma and Batarian. These are the kind of people I associate with. I like hometown, I like home useless people. I told him, when Dereka bleacher or Uguku them. You see them rally around themselves to console them. Actually, misery need company. Misery needs company. That's why you see them. Best of the sun feather. Life of our, life of bleacher, life of wood blaze, life of all of them. Misery always look for company. I don't look for such associates. I always tell the truth. Believe, take it or you forget it. That's how it is. Believe or you're happier. But true to Jafu, for people don't like it when you hit it on them. They don't like it. You know, Malaysia, at the age of going to 60, Iwonyara. Manage the little word you remain and deal with your misery. What's it concern me? Remember from me. And there's on you know not like the no one yahu. You know not like the know what that person doing. Who do you? Now you do yourself. Let me come back to De La Mata. Please watch this video. Make we go. Make we break it into 7. What did this one? They came post through in the morning.
So is that the only phone I own?
The pa? In the neighborhood, waiting for my lawyer, make a tell on a story. Make una share the charge and bear lawyer, they are there. The charge and bear lawyer, the little charge and bear lawyer. I'm a has to mention a picture, huh? The two charge and bear lawyer on I'm waiting for a there. Lawyer no free talk. Because when you see lawyer carry the lawyer, when you see Odogu carry the Odogu, did I hear I'm waiting for my lawyer? So lawyer got my baggage. Udele, Udele. Hey, Chineke na. Share. Oye na muna wanya share mo kola nwari Udele o. We can no bomb picking like Udele o. Go wa happen eche mo oche ni no one can potara. Guys, because je no ma park ya moto. Let me park my car. Mama this snow can't hurry anyhow, man. Which kind of snow be this? Can't hurry. Which kind of nonsense be this? No, I can't park here. So long now, I ain't going nowhere. I park here. My here I be rich. So make a tell on the letter G. So, now listen. Now listen. Get in the video. Come to explain here in this video. Udele Manda before Emewa invite, they will tell a court order, and will take a warrant, and will take everything on his head. You want to go and will take a warrant, waiting everything on his head. Yes, I'm waiting for my lawyer name. Let me tell you, I want to send this thing as a warning to all of you. What again on Nigeria? Nigeria is about connection and money. Your connection cannot save you alone, but your money can save you. I just want to be straight up to you. When a connection, even when a connection does not mean that you will not put money down. Remember what I'm saying? Connection alone cannot save you. You get one connection, you get where you go. You go get money. Do these things, Udele don't have any. Udele don't any of this. Remember what I'm saying? Udele don't any of this. Nani home where we go young round. People you go and ebu some of our men in Nigeria be here. They feel that the same way they were treating their wives back home is the same way they will implement the rubbish lifestyle here. Until American law or any way you know that they make America bend their reasoning. And by then, when you want to say the rights, I feel that you want to go the rights. How was it that some women are being I should get one who bad women and bad women. That target to come America, they will disappear. But majority of our men in a face this thing, Udele face it today. Ego, empty ego. I'm the man. This stupid Udele, this the worst pataka. That useless boy and okay letting on a London and who brain and who think of faculty she Udele and challenge. We wanted to pick somebody before Udele, but because of one mouth, kai bruise, mjitowa address ya nebuzo ne lawyer. Before we wanted to pick a trouble about the person because that person honest. But ebe no buzi Udele wunu beba overhype why and one idiot no amamo no na bakeleke kono no cha na ere one nonsense there na akwinyo back ejiri shift to our movement. Okay, let me look for your address straight up. What I go? So all hyper una hyper maduna. So that this rubbish hyper and whole little views are abunu. That is why I'm always on my see nothing when I go get you know. Me when I'm 100 views me when I still maintain my stand. I will mission a broke. And my some of our men have ya with obimu. Come and get my kind of person. Maybe I'm not on anywhere. I must question you. And I hope people watching, but you can update me. Thank you. Just share them the video. What I go? So, here now, baggy today. If you go on a hype, oh, yeah, get all of you. If you don't have these two things, connection, I'll baggy people on a case, good dealer. Before those have been able to take their petition, you will people under a hype will cry blood. People under a hype will just shed blood. I look at some people, they are still hyping you. They are still talking rubbish. When they will get mega kitegi, kegamano wa one patakan. Na gwalagi. Share mu this video man dey be petition haka habetiga. Ina share imano nyo wulu de la kujoro related to you or somebody you love. Wherever video make can I collect a petition. I mean they go update conditional de la time that your petition are also needed. Problem in that nation and against you can on Facebook. Wona men wahala. If I live una, I put on my own any opportunity with the Mabia Punia. Mabia Punia, Bunuke ways yoku. Anyage leave any stone on tone. If I'm fetching for more, they to her. We must have peace on Blue App. We must have peace on this Blue App. People got to make content in Panuru. If you don't have content, labuo, start farming or something. People get happy. Yeah, the only way people get Jesus weekend. Apostle Suleiman, thank you for raising your team to go and put in their own. You are one of the men of God I'm like. And like, well, you know, for putting on, go and put up your own. Submit your own. This kind of, and I'm not contact ala Kezane. Mention men of God. Your petition are needed. Petition are needed. Submit it. Submit it with a full chest. This guy will never go unpunished. Udele Ozu no one with a different reality and the way social media. All those people na hype. I want them to reach to Abuja. Achom kaharu dia. And I hype how dia high. And people say he will come out to if I'm a bunu latest. I watch that video. Udele putakwala. From there, a big sentence again. Manano okay chibala go pato polamono. Every soul you have harmed, every pot you have bullied, gemecha bully Bianca. Hey, Ganka mshela elarala. Wait for more. You go feel them. No, this idiot na hoke ko na hoke approve amazi hebe directional. Gishi allow all na na o ma hungo shaban. Ye be see all on na. All these lost people are in na nobodo yibo. How to go direct to their father's house. Oh my God. Nde questioning no. Na village. Na kola nyoka. Ana kola hoka. Hana go no jine cheki jiha. Na cheki ma oba horiola borube. Ka hano here na esusu ngare. Na okay, take a flight. Ako is what I'm on white. But you're everywhere. When you're growing old, you have wisdom. You guys lack common wisdom. I thought when you're growing old, you lack wisdom. Sorry, you grow wisdom. There is no wisdom in all these ones. Boga brainwashing. I'm not chana obodo yibo. Boga na mnia undocha na undoji you black American. Adamage chana their reasoning. They don't reason normally anymore. You were alone, Chigana and wine. I love you because of Akuko. Enguganga, for that pagging at your brain, you don't listen normal again. Get to throw no chahaka, hakawo, or not chahakawo. Get your mono. I love you. Gangu for Anna Kosi, akụkọ ndị bara uru ga na-akụ inyo but elu nwaanyị achị gị were mmiri ọkụ nwaanyị gị na anyị igwe na because ọ onye Igbo because ọ nwere gịnị ọwa na Igbo woman ị pụtara na-akụ inyo nna ha oke gba tiketi go and bell onye na-agba mara wu una koyeri nkoyeri unu too much waja join kwona ndị nkoyeri eche mo nwepuru little brain o join kwona nkoyeri company nweke were common sense ana koyeri na akụ inyo akwa waja jigba na ajega Senegal. I'm going to Senegal na aga eru all these things na mouth to deceive and that get deceive. I'm just man only na-eso ask questions, juju, don't be naive. Senegal esit my be court to her. Senegal esit we be court because of an actual president. Because of an actual president, this is not the time for rubbish. She comment rubbish my block. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Don't provoke me. I'm not in the mood. Don't provoke me. You will not like me. Every day I got Senegal. Get there. Because you know that court to her and her dear. Court to and when you had the key city court at this moment. And I should to ego for what? To ego for what thing? One of people is yoku. Tell people the truth. Chineka one knock. But you no gana who ebuko bi. Omenala me no omenala me who ebuko bi ejiri bola nunshi bola naja. But unu karu unu emeka ebuko bi this ebuko share no program na ma hu ndi na watch him biko. And I would did I watch him but I can read comments. You want to go? Ebuko be this, ebuko be that, ebuko be this, ebuko be that, ebuko be me, ebuko be me. People are not putting testify. I have witnessed this. Emi go my experience. I anchor this program. Now my platform testimonies came out. People are putting testify. You want to put testify? This is what really happened. The enemy. Uno she ahoma hare noma and homa gabu na afo. Now, waja puta when who caught to the seat a seat in Senegal from now to 6 months because Hana new president. One issue uno balebona. Uno chana people will not reach out to us. People reach out to us and they have told us there is that thing that is happening. Ndala. No kuna Senegal na anchor program. Ana akwaidi. Na akwaidi we kechori bu ibe ejiopu. I stand on the truth and nothing can change me. Oh wala akaza inji kwa make an arrest. Akaza re make go get you akaza. Now, finally wuzi anywa. Finally wu kwa anywa me arrest. Unu ga choda something to tag me tag akaza. Say I wish sure would the anywa at the arrest. Akwa people that was na people are biwala from Nigeria netiga their petition. Or kwani the same person that called us people she from Nigeria now go hama court city we be. Na court to carry reset no city we be. Why you guys not telling people the truth? Can you know about people who tell you shoku? Anako eri. One in them madu the truth. Court city will be complete 6 months. All these things are lie. Do not put your money until you see that the truth is glaring. I cannot be deceived. After all, problem I make today, Ken and Chukukadem, we are in the same group. How people have to come out and fabricate things and lie against people. And you think it's easy to let go? Is that what you think? All of a sudden, okay, what made Ken to stop? Because every page my problem. Ken never wanted to stop. Ken, a woman, you know, woman and a woman California. This woman, a man, Ken visa. Yari drunk, guy interview, fell or that interview. The woman spent over 3 million on Ishi Ken. The woman boy hapo get matter get oh this woman o medere again. Na ya bana this matter that 99.9 here na eku here wash. She never wronged you guys. Why you guys like this? because I'm very outspoken. I stand to finish what I started. Anybody that will call me Ndi Igbo one day, a woman that stuck out. This woman, you know, in Nigeria when I arrested you. This woman gave you opportunity, but the guy the woman that you must continue. Get him better can Ishi joy na page ya page ya not suspend there. He doesn't want to lose the page. Banko Jisha give it up. So anybody that will come that Kenny Chari, you are lying. Kenny only stopped because of getting a page here. We are affected. We know through repentance. On we put on social media. Here wash. I just did it with Saga. Here wash. I did it with Saga. Ebubembono onyenka wash. Ebubembono akwa wash. Ebubembono one passman wash. Ebubembono kechi wash. Ebubembono gozi okeke wash. You need to go thorough. Nobody is a fool. Nobody is a child. Equal chefu but only gware chefu be. Equal chefu but only gware chefu be. But people not there, they want you to forget. Are you serious? Come and tell people before forgiveness. And I forgive no. And I forgive no. Let's state it the way it is. This is not chifimo, not chifimo menenka. Knowing fully well. Even if it's chifimo, are you evidence? Do you have evidence? Do you have evidence to label people with such atrocities that came out of your mouth? And is that how you forgive? Udele Ozu na ge wu ebuko obi. Say ge kwemeram, kweme ejime. Really, because the threat, you know that Udele is capable of doing anything. Somebody Ojegbe tormentia people in another country or no, Istanbul. Jebe put her on the street. Or wuna hoya. Or wuna hoya. Just neku. Somebody will put her ma. Now I get share woke in a blue apple. Oh, that ma. Picture I'm sending in Istanbul ye bulatara Udele. Because I pop make it the thing I wega. Ya baby don't want power. Somebody had to reach out to me. Masha, don't worry, I will send them directly through their email. And I had to talk to them, but somebody have to interpret it. Yes. So nobody should come out and not go that to the amount that you Delaware terror. Somebody now put on a street to log and say out. Somebody gonna belong to all secrets. Somebody gonna the way he hear game chafu. Somebody put a mad woman to and no one. Somebody foul on a game, make it Ndi Igbo here. Somebody put up nege, make it Ndi Igbo here, bush Ndi Igbo nine. Una reta me Soronia Kobunu. But I, Ogechi, will not allow anybody lawful to go through that monster lane. Or they possible. Una forget overnight. This guy now put a bunu pump and plane. Nige bush chant, nige miss cho unu here. Also the same fools who work mini. I am not one. The same who work many are there clapping because you hate Oka. You hate church. Because you hate church. Iwaji Omenala. Guess soro a man that a man that can woo lucky no within done with. Another thing. Like you don't know the truth. Like you do not know the massive truth. Una chef follow overnight. Una pari with a sympathy card. Ashimo soro unne no truth. Nwa kuria with a full chest. Ashimo soro unne no truth. Like you guys are gala blind overnight. Because you don't like Oka. You choose somebody who like a different human neki. Can I make one more threat? Ibu mano. This any banket lie. See, I'm a mere Jesus. I'm a mere when no nima for why a jibang wemuma wine. Because I can meet you to the last straight up. Where may I got one where Makachi? Because I know that a lot of our Igbo men are weak. They are very weak in nature. Majority of them are very, very weak. And we hear Pastor, they don't have to call women a shower. They don't have to call women on. They don't have to call women anymore. That is only thing they learn. They don't have to call women a shower. How about Hanaga shower? Boga akuna, one nega akuna, but fabricate your story. That is it. And one who cares that is up to anything. So anybody that will come and tell me otherwise, Mama, that you have not started. I don't forget easily. And when I'm retentive memory. Ya wuru na echo fola the day Udele Putrashi Ndi Igbo niile boys young Igbo niile na ga make sure na wuru unu niile kweme unu start unu forget I remind ala unu today. I know enwere umu nwoke amu mmiri enwere ndị ama dị ebe ha shire pụta. But Ogechi, I know what I'm doing. Nobody can deceive me by a merriment of I don't like church. Or not possible. Or nobody get deceived from me because I don't like church. I will be supporting Onye Madato Wamusu. Onye Madato Wamusu. They don't overnight to my support to wire. Makachine kid, come on, game me. I'm join your church. I'll join you fully. Can that on a church? Here we a guy tormenting people na Istanbul. Maybe you have forgotten his history. You forget yala. Here we a boy, you meet an Igbo boy on the street of Istanbul. Who put the boy here say? Here we a boy, yani peyane bumbo. Here we a man, yani peyane bumbombo na Istanbul. E busam gongo nolo. Yaga wo the hoodlums on the street yana aye. Aga weregbe. Gawaja the place, Burudingongo. Oh, and I don't forget his history. And I don't forget that this guy is capable of doing anything. A man who wants a onion bungongo ne buoku. Na to aka burungongo dem madu. Because actually a greedy man who can do anything to make money. Can you put us in today? Which is sympathy, if I may ask? So I'll go to Gena. Agwa a mistake you don't get what me get will be Ishi. So if you look at Obuko be a man of God, that's Obuko be one of people that will stand and defend him. Let me tell you, if you guys don't know what is agape love, the love whenever become is called agape love, unconditional love, love that money cannot buy, love. See, you should know me by now that all I'm love for. I don't joke with it. The same way I don't joke with my husband. All of you that be following me for years, man, how much I adore my husband. You know, anything I'm love for, that is how I protect it. I'm not the love you with but to my own, as all get okay King Jaka, love with because I'm no safe for lives. I'm people go be liberated. I'm America, I'm some nurses. Oh, gee, this man, I touch our lives. Mama, they go be my nurses in a player. My co-workers, they play it and show me. But then I wasn't paying attention. What drew me to a people when all of you can get up? I'll stand on my own. Because I'm Kewe. And when you are in new town, you say, oh, the difference. Every child will different. So, amamu de love who webe matono. Love who agape love with every subjection. Every subjection ejene. And that can make it there until it may try everybody. You want to go? So, Bruno na fake love they go. Bruno na fake ambansi they go. Onyo lama kewe joku ya yiri ya kefe. Onyo lama kewe joku ya yiri ya kefe. You cannot come today and try to deceive me. Ke wo real and ke wo fake. Ke wo arrange. The people that does arrange are the ones that are jealousy to come and accuse others that they are doing arrange. Because you don't know what arrange. You can't put up arrange. Because you have been doing it and you think others are doing it. Only one you should have the first person that put up on my own. I stand with Ebukobi. I stand with Ebukobi until this life end. That's one thing about me. Like Yagi, unless you betray me, and I will come and fight back. That is me for you. Which I know that Ebukobi with a conscience. Oma chineke. He got put one day, she don't get you, no. Because some of those people that are claiming to be righteous, if you love her because be that much, where were you? To come and criticize and damage every work that this guy on. I cannot joke. You that love her because be that much. Okay, child of who not because guys, tell me my parking motor here. For here. When you can go and park here, let me park it here. Just give me a minute. Let me park my car. Guys, because now share on video because and I'm a number send a video mo because make una no verse. June, all of you. Now, you're not qualified to defend Zion. Uno, can't you open a page? You are Zion, but you're hiding. You are afraid. Mbe Peter we put them sapu madu Ishi. Peter Peter stood there to fight for your love. Akwa ejimuma me piam sapu madu ntonti Christ ashiamuba ozuela. Love. You stuck your head, you carry that to OMG like Zion. Love is unconditional. Unconditional. Somebody who can stand and take all the hits at Woga or jaw. Mother love mother with unconditional mindset. Undiluted love. They qualified and that they qualified. Because all of you are being brainwashed on social media with lies. You don't know anybody that's standing for Bukobina. Call Akora Wejoku. Call the same way, Ejiri the same way, Ejiri Pom lies for years. Nobody stood for me. I decided to fight my own battle myself. I become a bad person. I become a bad person. I decided to fight my battle to my own understanding. I become on your jaw. Now, if you fight, you'd have to leave God to fight for you. You have to, that's it. God do not need the wisdom. God do not need the ability to understand that. In your we I get the common sense I want to neighbor fight here. The same Elisha that is but ajemo koga no nwere ishi nkwocha. Ajemo koga to nwere ishi nkwocha potara megeneshi agwu rie ha. God honor that voice. Agwu rie ha. So, go Bible ebe suit and forget others. Anyway, I don't have much time. Let me play the video that I was playing. Can I explain the condition on many of you condition on kake enjoy. I couldn't follow guys share because I'm why Facebook are seizing my views. I can't see nothing. I don't know. So here poor share. All reports. All share the all reports. I can't see maybe. Because somebody should screenshot it and keep for me. Mama, they watch them later. Because.
So is that the only phone at home?
Udele, imagine that you're nobody. Even they collected your phone. They will go through your phone and see the kind of havoc. It is stupid. Why would you take your phone to a police station? Each and all there. You make allow your calls. You make allow contacts. Your little cheap contacts. Imagine ebi ma ruka people man nagawa. Ngahe ma konaka people man nagawa. You oju chega agbagi. Get with a phone. You know you fully well that they will more joy. Even when it was sub group where you plan evil. Oh, you know you don't delete something on your Telegram. Oh, so is that the reason why you guys started deleting your Telegram this thing group. Jesus. Other like late. Other like very late. Police will get every detail so how to know that your useless phone. Onya apare. Kabega what's a phone genulo. Gang. But I'm by to GMA video. You want to share everybody. Say they enter court. The same thing you did in win on Istanbul. You want to go and show you are the man. Ego murang. Empty ego. A man I do a sheshe. Empty boful ego. You don't want to sheshe. Do a game. Hey, make I go show them. I'm coming. E.T. Ndi Igbo so. Ndi Igbo so. Iti payane so. How could I hear you? It ain't your phone. Very soon, I got you a fegi. I quit now walk on doors on nanga. Nefe hamen. Very soon, I got you a fee. I get you being say ye. I got wofugi kenny men garagi. There is no other winner. I got you to legi. I was chago to le. Oh, no matter nane menugena. He said no matter nane make it so or be hono. I got wofu go to le. And I chag and what chago to le. Because when they don't even they receive their healing from Ebukobi. And when they don't even they receive their healing. Unless I got a training. Unless I'm not training, so unless I may not answer you. You want to go? So, and when they don't even gonna listen to Ebukobi, you go feel them. Udele, you go feel them. You get feel ya. It's just a preamble. You got no time. I'm not done. Udele, lawyer cannot stand the test of time. Lawyer will charge and bail. Imagine on your lawyer. Imagine on your lawyer. Imagine the level of somebody get claim. How much will you pay a lawyer? Ijele, do you have money? You were broke ass nigga. Ijele, when you call lawyer, manage them when a lawyer. You want to charge and base and the picture, yeah? You go to Ndi Ishi. You go to Amaka Hashimation, that's your messed up. Okay, be lawyer. Imana lawyer who class by class. Which lawyer? Lawyer you charge and bell on a lawyer. This is to the lawyer no there. Lawyer no there got back home. If you move, I move you. I think a man Nigeria. If you know, you go understand what I talk. If you move, I move you. Lawyer, I bought a lawyer no somewhere near you. Joto ya because Bruwa Halagigawa. After all, the Purume Gole. How much did they pay me? I can get defend the channel. I told him Napo. Imagine when the case you get defend the Gatoga Napuge all your rights. Imano. That is why lawyers they deny. That is why lawyers they deny some cases. Oh, you didn't aware. You will understand. For also na committee. And where the lawyer get nana get go to some nana get stupid money. Imagine when the case ana lawyer shimba. Na Kenya. Let me eat no time. I couldn't hear me the lawyer yesterday. I couldn't imagine Okupama. I couldn't one plank Akupana. Hey, she did an angel. Or should I chogam? Or should I not chum? Because go on, push in here. Push in here, go bring get away. Oh, you don't know that your lawyer was there. There we are there, two liquor. Two liquor church and bear. Ndebara law na Facebook. Oh, you're not there way. One idiot in a comment. You can see that his lawyers are there. The lawyers are not there. They gave him all the rights. They gave him all the lawyer who dogu mounted dia. Odogu when Odogu talking him Odogu neku Odogu the two. When Odogu is talking in action. And when I hear one ndana chaku to gwara which I will not say. Ya gbacha like this she wonyara. Ojarachi he won. Lawyer no there lawyer na aju there is no case there is that she he wonyara. Odike when order be from above Ghana Izuzu. Move be make move. Nde lawyer achakuje. De enyo. She akpokola m here. Don't call me here wonyara. Burunia. Bruno, Ozusbolo when you went for it, 100,000, Basham defend the lagi case, 10 million, na 50 million. Me won't yara. Come on, she got first. You couldn't make good. And a chokashianya, not a lawyer. Omash God a cholaya at the layer one place. Each other. Chama put you here in action. In my time they got water chair. I'm a bear put you here in practice. Udele him and others me changi here. If they can apota, you can go. Jiggy. Now share no video. Now tagging the people on day would she had to with the petition on her. Wait. Listen. And I'm not correct. No, lawyer don't go. Lawyer get out there. Lawyer get out there. Should be called. It's a pump wiggy. It's a good to book. Nah, Nigeria. In it, it's a pump. Warrant is handed over to the security authority. Yes, yeah, and with the warrant in Ishi. So these people went this far and got warrant. Back come and okpu men again abana. Bahanish on a shigo dom. Get up and go to the car and I'm waiting for my lawyer. Mash lawyer, two-legged, two-legged charge and bell. Oh, him not boy. Two-legged charge and bell no there. Udele, you wish you don't take it all along. Sa everywhere. Sa. Udele na say man. Udele na shi bubo one negi. Udele na say bubo one negi bukobi. Udele na say bubo one negi akusayon. Akusayon potaka muna ge kuoya. Udele na hela no sa. Today life, this life you get as in here. What we call it warrant is handed over to me or you. The warrant is handed over to me on you. Where you saw the English can just so go. Handed over to me. But on a warrant they know in English anyway. So finally warrant. It's not way it's not these people I got captured. No, Ajiga by the law. It's not hard Abuja Zuzu. Do you think it's not Abuja? You gonna say hand the pass hand. Matter pass matter. My brother rest well. Hey Prince, I don't know why your application will do that with the beer. Make it there.
I'm authorized to do it in my custodial facility. I'm downstairs. So I'm waiting for this is from suspect. What video is it?
I know ya. Tereba call like they said, actually, what video is he making? One idiot to be they were commenting. Udele can sue for this video. You wanna know ya? Udele went to several courts' house. Let me remind you guys that when short memories. Udele naga court who invite not their video matter without their consent. Oh, you guys have not you have not witnessed it. Let me tell you, any handage measure to others can get measure okay. Udele na hapu ebo no gawa court. Let me tell you one thing. When them hang with a court case, ndo tu Udele. Muna hand on a court case. Ndo tu palace of fools. Or join in a day. With a court case. Yes, she gonna hapu oh. In my case, I got basu Udele Shina. I got my court case. Give video. Udele went there and videoed. Come out. Oh, you want me to remind you? If you're talking about who to sue Udele, I'll be the one to sue Udele. Because Udele saw a maker in the court. Udele videoed the maker and sent it to these bastards. So who is talking about video? Who the heck? Udele went to that court to video the maker and sent intelligent fool and their members. Oh, you guys have forgotten? Udele na got that court case is Sabasaya. Udele video people. Did I hear who is videoing me? Udele Ashimo Sono Negi. Did I hear who is videoing me? Did I hear who the fuck is videoing you? Amami why mepe who amuki video ya dia. They should have opened up amuka hum video inside the ima amuki. Oh, you think I don't know who made that video then? You went to videoed it. Case that has nothing to do with you. Nobody invited you. You wanted to come and do mockery that you went to court. And when the men mockery, who are the bastards are talking about video? I have all the. I will first of all start suing all of y'all. Uno wa tono. Atono kono wo. Uno wa. Do you guys have mouths? Uno want to talk. Udele went and videoed the case that has not videoed the maker in the court. Every individual is not there. Oh, unachafule. Ashme tonda ne ligweba janne no. Hey, orunakunu na matalo. Whenever they tell orunakunu na matalo, guys, click love and share. Mama, I know they see this thing. Oh, na share the video call again. Are you guys not sharing this video call again? Where are my Zion members? Na share no ni haka banamba dole na anama anything. I'm talking to myself. I don't know what is happening. Click on the share button. Thank you, Chi the Precious, for updating me. So, Udele, you don't know? You went and videoed, even in the courthouse, where you know that the camera, we are not permitted. You went there, you videoed it. You brought it a Jiabasaga. You brought it out a Jiabasaga. Are you, and when Henry making this, are you not? Are you currently out of your sense of belonging? Did I hear who is videoing you? I don't know why I don't want to okay? What put them block us, okay? Come shida from that phone, I don't know why they didn't bring it out. Abamu why? Yes, okay, from there and open it. How useless your block us. And I queen did I Udele na people make court, got a video inside court. They will put Gianna on the program. I say you are somebody. Somebody saying what? Somebody saying what? You una de colo. I am the shape. Let me come and refresh on a lost and found brain. Maybe you guys have lost it. I'm going to update. But they chef room will tell me a statement na make it to especially okay. Make only shoe on ala. Maybe una chef una don't forget. Una that una short memories. Una short memories. To remember stuff in a new so short memories. Ndala. So as you can see here, now listen. Mbone sure when I lawyer, then the charge umbrella buang, the charge umbrella buang no dia bakuna because ha kaka. In my batako to get booze or juju. New environment. The lawyer they know then ashe below you got make kagene. When they enter, how many that okpu was in course then. Ndele after they did not give us a budget. I just went put here shimba sign here. I just play 1 or 2 videos. A play who they are more. Charge them back. Can you come and tell them I just went put the team play 1 or 2 or 3 videos. I sure okay. I'm sign ya. Oh ya go. Be go idiot bena. So you no, but let's go. Let's go when somebody. Do you know what is bena before you come? I just a look now. Udele. Now this will no people will pass them. Next time you know be buka, you run for your life. Ono should mbaka will heaven. Mbaka no reach your buka half. I will repeat it. People that love a buka, people that take a buka matter, mbaka no reach them half. Mbaka no nke agwangi no game mbaka gala. Ke ya galo na eji mbaka gesi oge am always available. Apa me produce ihe voice note mpura apa do page mi ya na. Mana no produce akuna akporo mgawa. Anom ya, I know they for fear. Idiots. Okay, let me block you, Alexander. Get out. F out of here. Get out. You can actually one negi. Alexander, you actually one negi. I have repeated it again. And I'm a bowage. Ndala. Ina no. Engage push people. Because I support to come in desire now. I go stop people. Mba Jesus gara muna na Bible ko onye beba sanyo owu he prostitute ndere bibe nde come on, get out of here penyon am she got voice, so get out of here. The righteous Zions, the righteous ones, come on, get she got voice. I'm gonna get one room for rubbish. Get out. Na queen onye bịara bịa sa Jesus okwu kendo jiri bịa n'ụwa unu ndị too righteous ebe ka unu na hide unu na ha bịa a support Ebuka Obi. If you want giant to shy up, come on, get out of here. Ndala ana koyeri na koyeri ikuzi oge chabalaga ikwo ya disappear. Look at one agwata afifia. Akuru na hu ye na me na nke one agwata na. This idiot na almost anu nama. One agwata afifia na owo nyo shi no we criminal. Na one agwata afifia no we criminal wo nyo shi do you fully aware that all kwa the same Ndi Igbo one agwata hayara. Plan within the Mexico ana ebu moto one agwata na ebula na Mexico. Na esu one agwata afifia ushi. Na ebula na Mexico. This idiot happened that one got on Afife Onyoshi. I quite discover how many cars in Mexico now. Una have busita one. Una have busita one. Ko kanayo because always town like here. Ya put a boom business in Madoshi. No, you fully aware that this guy on a scam. I could have be 30 something cars in the Mado. Mwagwata kurugo. People jeje park ya and they will put two cars every day. Nde mata na etibo to ha. Akuno hunu ya. Akuno hunu ya. This is what happened labelo nwagwata onyoshi. Majority of you ebru nwagwata firma tadishi. Ojikora wuro onyoshi. Oka mmadu sha won. Hey, mbe lawsuit nwagwata ga-ebido. Mbo ga-ebido. All of you, una go feel like one after another. Mboge pito, kono ga no tanya. What a work build through brand ya for years. And we ponyo ri ego ya. This man ana refund the ego nde madokuru ka na efu ya naka. Tagi one got he was talking to me 2 days ago. I nearly cried for him. Now the man no katara. Ima these people name wa agwata. Ebu pute motage sheep. Ima wa gata no different states. From another state motaga we bonaga. Nda arudia ha kona two cars out of cars. Abe wo pute moto ebula ya na Mexico. Na ewu pute ebula na Mexico. Haga meet the man. One man hanaga the man na aru ha title. Amarucha title eburu the moto bula Mexico. Because the man in Makesha are not title. So make that when God want to fight your battle. When God want to fight your battle, he will fight it with everything in him. The man I do wonder the man is na him and then name is your title. Because when I got nanya number no. So yes, the man I got here online. Number one got one plate number. Yes, no my so plate number one got na yama ho nyo na ekuni. Yasha biko na enwere ndị na-abịa ya ka na change her title, and then for some reason na echo si change ta echo ibata ebe ha na echi ebute bota ka happy dọpụta ya one day maka the man na ji leak secret na ka no here be hu biawakwa hu biawa ozugbo ai baka wa gata no kem a few days na go to his platform, go down ga huru moto this chemele magama hu ya here. Guys, please share this video. Mama ye mega na let me go to his platform. Chere? Iga humo to de discover chana. Ya we had this idiot potara. What I work build through his reputation. Social media is the easiest way to destroy people's hard work. I will show you. Yeah, mad woman and mad bear. I am ready, guy. Mwagata jize ure number na money in case anything got. Oh, my brother. Oh, mwagata neme na etna la ho. Le moto nde discover channel le.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. If I bow, good day, Bobble. Eze Shimeleze and Kembona Mbona.
Oh, okay, my brother. Yes. Yes. I'm telling you. Funanya. Yes. Oh, okay, my brother. Oh, okay. Tagara mwagwata here. Tagara me here.
Onyana kola yekwe.
Tagara mwagwata here.
To all of the message, all very important. Share this message. It's very, very important to me. Okay?
Tagara mwagwata here. Share our program. I'm telling you. Lie. Yes.
My name is Wago Attire. That is my name.
Thank you.
Afamobo Wago Attire.
Ibantahia, my brother.
That is who I am, and that is my name. I want you guys to pay me attention.
Genti.
Remember, Namgalono. 2 reasons can you may travel.
Share this video. Share me.
I will tell you guys. Okay, boy. Inanya. Since November last year.
Oh, when they Jimu. Oh.
All in the Ghanaian internet very well.
I'm telling you.
On record, I ship 2,111 cars last year. It was only 19 people, 19. And I speak to you. If I can Baltimore, Maryland. Maryland.
With their names.
If I about 10 cars, I will go to the other place. If 11, making them 21 cars. In a video, but I may go so near careful or the 10. I think in a May. I don't want to go into too much because of people that will want to bring these hairs put together.
Oh God.
They ship this car. This is a 2005 Toyota Corolla. This is 2015 Ford Explorer. This is 2008 Toyota Salona. This is 2010 Toyota Highlander. This is 2010 Toyota Highlander. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna. Right? 2010 Toyota. Sorry, 2008 or 9 Toyota Sienna leather seat. This is Camry 011 or 012. Toyota Corolla, either 011 or 010.
Okay.
This is 2010 or 9. Toyota Ford. This is
program.
Toyota Camry. This guy go motor na This is 2009 Dodge Ram. Hold on. For the 10 of them. May last year. Even not where I am as I speak is Maryland. Baltimore, Maryland. I'm in Baltimore, Maryland. This is 2012. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, my brother, don't worry.
This is 2012. This thing has been here since this 2000 Mercedes GLK 2012. This thing has been here. This is the first station in Maryland. I am in Maryland. So this, count them. I will go to the next location. I will do the video. That one left since when I bought me first stop. That one left since March. So this month March make it complete 1 year. Complete 1 year. I shipped car. Every week I may ship 100 cars.
I thought it destroy your business. Can somebody buy the one here for me? Tag here.
From Minnesota. From Minnesota to Baltimore, Maryland. Shipping, the shipping company, not a job by the shipping company. I don't pour here.
Hey,
I don't make more than this. I don't make anything. This is 2010 Highlander. When you were not bomb, you were criminal. This is 11 Toyota Corolla. You were criminal. Look at the kind of cars I bought. This is
my brother become a criminal overnight on social media.
This 015. The person 015 many of them have their money back.
Yes.
Many of the owners of this car have given their money back.
You know what I mean?
The majority of the owners have given their money back. Shineke odrokoma. Shineke odrokoma. Shineke odrokoma. Oh no, na neme. Let's send him back to village. Shineke odrokoma. Onye Corolla, the boy go Corolla 054. Go about Uber. Since May last year.
I
will go to the next location. Careful. This is GLK 2014. A bullion dollar here. I'm sounding so emotional, but it's okay.
It's okay, my brother. It's okay.
It's okay. Can make it don't want to go? I want to go to a village. For the possible. My name is Attire. That is my name. I got to the next location. Even Baltimore, Maryland.
My brother.
Maryland, please. Let us have video together. Tell me where you guys are. I know because now where is how to turn the Instagram. I want you guys to see. I don't know how to turn this back. Okay. Now, I want you guys to know. I want to go to inside. I want to interview the guy, the owner of this place.
No.
For keeping this car for almost 1 year. The storage of this car is $17,000. For keeping this car since March last year here. I moved this car from Minnesota to here. This is Baltimore, Maryland, the shipping company. Shipping company is walking through from here.
Heart of man are desperately evil. Video.
Storage. Let me ask him, are you comfortable to be on the video? $17,000. Oh, if I charge them or pay me since that day, every day, Butano here. Now, I put $30. Now, no, $30. $17,000. For these 10 cars.
Thank you for letting me know, Amber. Somebody screenshot all of me.
A bully from May last year. They are here.
Somebody should screenshot it for me.
I will not say a word.
Oh, my brother.
Let's go to the man. I got to the next location. 2015 Highlander. 2015 there. I want you guys to see. I got time for motor ship since March. Since March. Motor now everywhere. Now one give away criminal. One give with this since March.
Udele Ozu.
Let's go to the man.
Ndi Igbo
I feel like
Mexico. You don't need to cry when I go out. From day one, I know that you are not a criminal. You were Shibon man, my brother. You were Shibon man. Let me tell you one thing about this. I want to go out Africa. You know, when I met this guy, the first day up there on my platform, people started calling when I go out Africa. Do you know that this guy can today? Okay, with the account to NGO, go. People no Ishi NGO. I want to be part of them. Okay, that's in Urota. Okay, one people I want you to connect. And when you a number actually, onya hashia cool down. Oh, Jiraka volunteer. Okay, him game mere NGO gi. Because they came to me to fight this guy. Come bring your business here down. My boy, I want to go get him and I'm sure no. God forbid. Ma puta. Ma on my other page, Harry Potter. Ma puta. Shimpa. Okay, me like this is not true. This Udele, this Amuswe Buru, this thing. Bauka ke ana yoha potara. Now I got that. Sacrifice. What is happening? Now was the ambassador. This video for people who how people get destroying them muddy beha. From that day, one go out top me show again me repole. Yashi comes to nowhere. It would buy us. Very nice. This man I don't need anything. Don't worry. I'm game here, but I will let you know. Kfm game meregi a dying. Oga book dancing come on and pick the phone or turn go against me. How can I don't pick phone? No problem. Even my mom they complain. I don't really pick up phones. The only phone I'm 24/7 pick is my husband's phone. I'm a alert to my mom's phone. More I'm not phone or speak. So, my way to anything, why would matter it on be maybe? Oh, if you know what guata, if you know what guata, when in on so one will carry your matter for head. But in the one I like you. Imano woni will connect with Onye Mexico and dump moto this guy. And they boom madoshi. You know, on social media, they are aware what is happening. Kadikeja doga wa guata yam na boyo criminal. E brukesa udele Ishi. Udele ashemu abron wa guata. Have you put your own petition? Yes, again them imakwe bem no. Okay, imakwe bem no no meben sha amakwe mi hene many because I had to follow pages. Sha gini name. Yako wazi them sha Oshi Borogi last year. Ihe we hene many. I am Jishua Guata. Chua Uncle IB. That man is not a nice person. Uncle IB, I will imagine a makeup business. That man is not a straightforward human being. One Guata, if you watch it, you don't need Uncle IB to do commercial for you because he will not stand fame. The man now. Uncle IB should not be your ambassador. I have told you this same time with that number. Uncle you need to leave that man. Whereas Usuha, where other people they more reliable. Uncle IB is not a reliable person. He can never. I want your Omenala. Go again about Jesus. He's a very bloody mother effer. He's not a nice person. He's not a nice person. I have to tell you, even my brother, he's a wrong person for you to use as an ambassador. A problem. Why are you hiring this man and Uncle IB? A man that can come out, your job is enough for you to defend the product yourself. Or can somebody about Zelo Bitasia. I will not defend that. Somebody from yesterday, don't you ever show game on my wish. Get the fuck out of my phone. Get the fuck out of my phone. It's okay to me. That is what you say. Oh, you know, stand by the product you defend. Uncle IB Sheba Po. Yes, Sheba. I watch him. Who is this man? I made a video about it then. until when I continue to see that this man is not a reliable person. What are you doing business with Uncle IP? What Puyana ambassador list? He's not capable. Ali, we match your training. You're welcome. He's not capable.
Ford Explorer.
Yanti.
Only way Ford Explorer. She became from Mozambique. A member classic circle of friends. Then every video that is the Ford Explorer 015 Ngolier. But what did I do? I give him the money back. A good businessman. One guy named Olumuba Osi Dubai Bata. This
share no video. Share no miya. Chidaka bole kwenso aku.
Corolla. Adore here. Eh? This is 2010. When I for please, I don't want to. I want in Omenala. Mobile phone or one biko. I feel like I cry. Look at how.
If you want to them matter. You never get pack about to tell me this is how evil this people are.
Business. You are defrauding people. That's what he told me. This is the car I moved. Now, May last year. This is Baltimore. God, this is not good, oh. If I am a tire, will you say blue?
No, how?
I will never drop over here. Can make it on my go attire. Can we put on my name? This is 2008.
This is who they are. This is who they are.
The woman who got three Sienna. Jenene, every go one. Jenene, or this picture can yell you. Oh no, here. Next month or next 2 months, I will complete 1 year.
Oh!
This is the woman alone a bank. I wish she wash me. There's no name she have never called me.
Oh.
You carry Bible, deceiving people, defrauding people, calling the name of God. You're a criminal. Look at your car. Get it to 1 year. This is Maryland. Look at it. Okay, let me go inside. This is the look at the camera. This is the guy from I don't know. Dodge. This is in Maryland. Where I am is Baltimore, Maryland. This is Baltimore. We are going to the port. Here, Joba. We're gonna shipping company. A butamotum drop wire here. Look at 012. This is 012. The guy even go the motor. And you if all the cost when you look better for you after using my money for over 6 months, you return my money back. You know better. See, look at the car. Go and check the picture I sent you. You took the video I did that day. Is it the car? And I refunded the money back. She they called Rokomma. She they called Rokomma. Make more than this. She they called Rokomma. Okay. Let me go to the man. It's okay. Oh, I'm a hobo. My brother doesn't cry.
It is well. It is well, my brother. It is well. It is well.
I drove from that location. From that location, no.
Ali, my God, let's come in on a training.
North Carolina. I drove from North Carolina to here almost 4 hours to be here. This just here. I got to the next location. There are another 11 cars. Okay, let me ask you whether or not they're comfortable. Where's the boss? Hey boss, how you doing? I'm on video. I don't know whether you care. I wanted to say a word from me, okay? Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to the owners of this car. I told them that the truck driver picked this car from Minnesota, my station, and dropped it here in Maryland since last year. Just I need that confirmation from you. Is that true?
It is true.
Do you want me to put you on the video? Please?
No.
You don't want?
I don't want to be on video.
You don't want to be on the video, okay. But you are the owner of this place, right?
I am.
You are confirming that the truck driver lived this thing since May last year?
Yes. I'm also confirming that I have the titles to the vehicles.
Do you have
could have sold the vehicles already.
Say that again.
We could have gotten rid of the vehicles already.
Okay.
We could have taken them to the scrapyard for crying out loud.
You would have sold it.
But we told them all this time, and now we're still debating over what we're going to do with it.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
God
bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. I sincerely appreciate it. He's the owner of this place. He has this. It's American. Before he put somebody on the video,
you need to come.
It's a white guy. It says Scott. I call your name right? His name is Scott. Scott, right?
Correct.
Yeah. His name is Scott. He's a white guy.
He
don't want to be on video. You would have seen him. He's the owner of this place. Okay, this is a big year. That's where my car parked. Okay.
Yes, so
when you are fighting an innocent man, that
hey, wickedness.
If I tell you reason, take the blue motor up, or if I tell you, if I'm more about okay, 531 million naira. 531 million. I got the other location, careful, moto. Maybe that person will keep or buy a video. And only for now, no, Nelena Mota, because what the title? No more if
yeah, Spirit of God, I am Miligi.
Wasn't known, maybe on a video. Balance 2 Negono. What will you say? Oh, Jago made business for 1 year. Balance Samia. Nemoton ship Runa May last year. Yeah, the third of them not here. Is here sitting down, right? Majority of them.
Let me use this opportunity to tell you, if you want to buy a car in this America, Nwagwata is #1 reliable source. Nwagwata is #1. Here are people, they plan to bring this guy down because as soon as Oputara, Nwagwata went viral because of his honesty, his integrity. Nwagwata went viral. They were carry orders. That plan, look at how far people can go to bring you down. Every beer, Nwagwata's roshi, Nwagwata wonyoshi, Udele Ishi. Nwagwata Gwalangi, they are put to your own petition. Even if they sue this idiot to billions of billions. Everywhere. See, I know what is right. Because him always come on social media with just lies upon lies in the matter. And these gullible fools, these gullible touts will believe it instantly. Yes, or him, whether you give it or him, because they are being brainwashed. Rubbish. The what? Play. If I download the video, repost to on my platform. Let me even download it. Repost to on my platform. Because in what the video share, but post to come across it to share. Because can help poor people? Okay, she destroying because we need to help. You will come to me, and I will also do the same for you. In this situation, you will call for help until a video share. You know, Makechi. Things are happening. So, come up here. Let me go back to Udele now. Charge and bear lawyer Udele. Etienne she Udele. Agbaru Udele no somewhere while I Udele Jawa somewhere. Yeah, just share. Go do we get ebe wa bedi be o. Ebe wa bedi be. Ebe wa bedi be. I just wear a doma a place go the until before they be the court. I got that who the line ebu nature ebu the land of no go fisiam. I just go dia. Tiego dia until the day I got put a court. A bit of a deep. Come on, move. Move with salam alele. Move. Udele, iga home. So MG Shono, ndere de petition me one yon say so. I got my agwu how many days organ there, but me one you say. I got my banana remind you. Neti inu petition. Put your petition. Every man and woman Udele has tormented, lies, lie against, made video, castigated, deformed their characters, lied against, bohoshi, accused them in what they didn't do, the crime they did not know, the lies. Please put your petition. Many people have said, don't be left behind. Even if Yagacha 6 years in car, you can see increase it to 7 more years. Put your petition. Put your petition. Nobody will let you deliberate. No, this guy is. On that note, I gotta go. Thank you for joining me and follow this page. Follow all my pages in a follow it for more updates. And the other ones that will be arrested. I don't want to mention all one after another. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining me. And thank you for standing on the truth. Thank you for being an honest being. Thank you for not allowing crowd with lies. Hananona group, when they formulate, they gather and they formulate lies. Thank you for not being deceived by crowd, but by Iyaneme with your sense. Thank you for joining. Onya would that one away drunkard. Onya chillere destiny, ama hebe destiny. He will be the next if his time is not taken. Yaruna Nigeria, but ebatabaki agauriam problem. Let him keep when nobody will come for him. Dala. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate each and every one of you. Kamlego de gwanye ga akubifanye shingapo.